In the last episode, we talked about what EVOL is. Now let's talk about why the faculties across the globe choose to be a part of it. EVOL is not just a competition, it's an international academic initiative designed to promote original India-centric case studies in management education. Here, you can get a chance to develop real-world case studies, to work on industry-validated problems, and to bridge the gap between industry and academy.
EVOL provides every participant with complimentary access to a case writing workshop where you can refine your skills in case writing and impactful presentation.
Every year, ASM faculty from MBA, MCA, MMS, PGDM, BBA, BCA and Executive MBA comes together on this platform, bringing a wealth of knowledge from diverse fields.
This year, we are expanding beyond ASM, inviting faculty from top B school across India and global to create richer learning experience.
Here, your work is reviewed by experts, showcased at an international level and rewarded with a certificate, prize and trophies.
This is why faculty choose EVOL for learning, for recognition and for impact. And now it's your turn.
Register today and claim your spotlight at ASM's flagship International Case Study event.